Okay, I just want us to make clarification on those of you who are using the gym powder and then the Risco bitters. First of all, I would like you to understand that the Risco bitters is bitter. The tonic is bitter. But if you're somebody who likes anything sweet, then please don't venture my medicine because it's bitter. Now, when your problem is hemorrhoid or pal, which we also call in Ghana here cocoa, as a person, you must also get to understand that you should be somebody who listen and steady yourself. You listen to yourself, you steady yourself. There are some particular food that you eat. And anytime you eat that particular food, you get a reaction. There are food you eat initially, there has not been any reaction. And it got to a certain point that when you eat that particular food, you have an issue. Then you have to understand that this food, I must stop it. When it comes to hemorrhoid first starts being internal in the system. This is where you'll be feeling burning sensations in the anus, sharp pains. You can't even touch your anus. You feel that there's a lot of sore, like wound in your anus. You go to toilet, you see blood, waist pain. Every man who is having hemorrhoid, automatically, you have waist pain. Once you have hemorrhoid, you have waist pain. And this will also lead to premature ejaculation, erectile dysfunction, that you can't perform good in bed. Me, my tea, if I wake up early morning, this is my tea. This is the powder. This is what I take. Myself, I take this. Those of you who have used the powder, you can attest to it that this is how it looks like, right? This is how it looks like. Can you see it? This is what I take every day. Every morning when I wake up, first thing I take is, instead of taking Milo, coffee, and all those things, this is what I take. So now, this hemorrhoid start being internal, like I said. So it has 4 stages. The first stages is you get to be seeing burning sensations in the anus. You'll be feeling discomfortness. When you go to the toilet, you see blood. That should be telling you that you have hemorrhoid and you are on the first stage. Okay? Now, the second stage, this time around, you feel the symptoms of the first stage, which is the burning sensations, the discomfortness. You feel they're sore. You go to the toilet, you see some small blood in your stool. But then the second stage, there's a flesh or there's a vein that pop out anytime you go to the toilet. And right after stooling or the toilet, it goes back on its own. When this is happening to you, then you should know that you're on the second stage. Sometimes it comes in the form of rashes. But it's very painful. Anytime you use a tea roll to clean your anus, ash. Most of you here don't use tea roll or anything paper again. You use water, am I right? It's a hemorrhoid. The third stage is this time around. The hemorrhoid comes out and you have to push it. Most of you, after a toilet, you have to come and lie down flat, face down. You on your fan, put it higher in order to relieve yourself. So some of you have lost your work because of this hemorrhoid. It's one of the most painful experiences. The burning sensations. You can't do anything. You are in pain. It's very, very painful. You see, hemorrhoid is one of the most painful sickness one will have. Don't even wish your enemy to have hemorrhoid. Don't wish hemorrhoid for your enemy. It's not good. The most dangerous disease. So this time around, on the third stage, when you go to the toilet, you have to, when it comes this time, you have to push it before it goes back. If you didn't push it, it will not go back. But even pushing it is a problem. Touching the vein itself is a problem. The symptoms of first and second stage, you still have it in the third stage. But this time, you will have to push it because it becomes manual. Now, the fourth stage, which is the last stage and is the most hell one, has to do that it becomes permanent. If you push it on the third stage, this time you cannot push. If you push it, it will not go. It becomes part of your skin. The veins become part of your skin. It becomes normal for you. But the most painful experience for one to have. When it comes to sexual life, you become so poor, you can't do anything anymore. Hemorrhoid also causes the manhood to shrink if you are a man. It causes the manhood to shrink. Hemorrhoid can never make you perform good in bed. Hemorrhoid. Hemorrhoid also causes the waist pain. Hemorrhoid. You can go to the toilet, all you could see is blood. So, hemorrhoid is a deadly disease. If you are a woman, your libido become very low. You will see your your husband, your boyfriend, like your fellow woman. You don't have any feelings anymore. Same thing happened to men. You are just there, basa like that. Hemorrhoid can also make you lose your relationship, your marriage. Yes, hemorrhoid. It's a deadly disease. My brother, my sister, just get this Risco bitters and then the gin powder. When you get these two products, let's say in the morning after meal, you take the tonic first, 2 dessert spoon. 2 dessert spoon. You can equally use this spoon. You can equally use this spoon. 2 of this. Okay, take 2 of this. Right after taking this 2, you prepare your tea and take it. If you have ever taken the powder before, you know how it feels like. So right after taking the tonic, you take your tea on it. The tonic is bitter. Take it in mind. Have it in mind. It is very bitter. People will ask, what happened to the veins that appears in the anus? It will shrink. If it is not shrinking, let me know. There's a cream. There's an ointment that you will have to use also. There's an ointment that will be added. If you are using it and the thing is not shrinking. But look, majority of my customers that have used this tonic alongside the powder confirm to me that it has shrink the thing in the anus. You see, the problem is inside the system. It is something that is pushing the thing, the vein that you are seeing in the anus. It is something that pushes it. So when you are taking this product, it will be shrinking the thing in the system. Before you know, the one in the anus is just a comedy. You'll be fine. My name is King Richie. This is Rich Away Herbal Tips. Please, for a better result, for a full treatment, one must not use not less than 6 bottles of this. Bye-bye.